This is problem number 1 from section 2.3. In this problem, they want us to solve the inequality symbolically, express the solution set in interval notation. You can see on the right side I have a fraction, and on the left side I have just two terms. Because of the fraction, I want to cancel that out. So I am always going to cancel a fraction by multiplying by its denominator. So let's multiply the left and the right side by -3. So -3 is going to be multiplied times 7x minus 4. And -3 is going to be multiplied by, -3 times -88 minus x over -3. But one thing I have to remember, anytime I multiply by a negative on each side of the inequality sign, or I divide by a negative, I need to flip the inequality sign. So I'm going to flip this inequality sign to make sure that the inequality actually makes sense, right? So I multiply the -3 on each side, and because I multiply by a negative, it's going to change the balance in the sides. So I need to make sure I balance it out by flipping the inequality sign. After this, let's just distribute. So that's -21x plus 12 greater than the -3, because it's -3 over 1. The -3's actually cancel, and I'm left with -88 minus x, right? -3 over -3 is 1, so multiplying by 1 doesn't do anything. Let's combine some like terms. So we're going to add 88 over. And we get -21x plus 100 greater than -x. We're going to add 21x to the other side. -1 plus 21 is going to be 20. So I have 100 greater than 20x. I divide by 20. And I get 5 greater than x. Now I like to rewrite this so that x is on the left side. But if I do that, I'm just going to take the whole thing and just flop it over. So I'm going to say x is, and I'm going to make sure that this is pointed, this is the less than part, is pointed toward the x. So less than 5. So we're going to put or there. 5 greater than x, or x less than 5. So x less than 5. Now they say write it in interval notation. Well, x less than 5 means the solutions have to be less than 5. So what's the smallest solution? Well, we don't really know a smallest solution because they can go on and on and on forever to infinity. So we're going to say negative infinity, comma, which is the smallest, like just saying the negative numbers, any of the negative numbers work, all the way up to 5 work. But 5 can't work, so we're going to put a parenthesis there. And negative infinity, we actually can't get that number. It's not a number. It's just an expression for going on and on and on negatively. So this is our solution set. Anywhere from negative infinity up to 5, any of those solutions work for this problem.